divide this 71 by 5 in a long division method. So 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get 2. So now we put down this 1 and it is 21. So 5 times 4 is 20. On subtracting we get 1. So now there is no other number to put it down. So we take here decimal so that we put 0. So it is 10 and 5 times 2 is 10. On subtracting we get 0. So 71 divided by 5 is 14.2. So this much for today and thanks for watching.